Welcome to the release question number 109 for CAHSEE Math. This begins our measurement and geometry section. And so this tends to be, I'll be honest with you, it tends to be one of the tougher sections for students. I think mostly because it's more critical thinking skills than some of these other ones. A lot of the other ones are more straightforward. You just do this every single time you see a problem like this. These ones you have to think through a little more carefully. Many of these problems, at least, for measurement and geometry. So for 109 though, let's get started. Let's look at this one. 1 millimeter is what compared to a meter? So I think you can take a look at these two. A millimeter is very, very small. If you look at a ruler, it's those tiny little markings on a ruler. I actually have a ruler right here that I can bring up. Alright, so this one is comparable in size to one you might see on a normal size ruler. I'm kind of drawing a blank here what I wanted to say, but from 0 to 150, this is 150 millimeters. A meter is going to be much larger than a millimeter. This we can eliminate C and D. Those are much too small. So I want you to think of these prefixes. These are ones you should have memorized. So memorize these, I would say. Memorize these. You should know that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. You should know that 1 meter is the same as 1,000 millimeters. And you should know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. These ones are definitely ones you should know by heart for the CAHSEE. And so based on this, we can say that 1 meter being 1,000 millimeters would mean that you could divide both parts by 1,000 here. 1/1000th of a meter would be the same as 1 millimeter. And so this one should be choice A.